Struggling to check kicks? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 game-changing Muay Thai drills that'll make blocking faster, sharper, and more effective. Let's get started. Tabernacle. Today we're going to give you 4 solo Muay Thai exercise drills that you can use to improve your blocking or checking, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't matter. Use these drills and you're guaranteed to block more kicks, be more evasive, and have overall better defense. Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's go. The first drill that we're going to give you to improve your Muay Thai blocking or checking is simple. I call this the line block drill. Are you ready, Tito?
Yes.
Here we go. Don't knock the simplicity of this drill, all right? This drill is going to make your legs stronger. It's going to give you the proper technique to actually block a kick, right? And that's the base fundamentals of everything. First off, you have to know how to block a kick or check. I'm going to use that word interchangeably because some people say block, some people say check. In Thailand, we always say block, all right? But I don't want to confuse anybody. Y'all my friends. All right, with everything we do, we like to use the proverbial center line. Y'all know that already. Feet together, shoulder width apart, half a step back. Everyone knows that. So I'm going to use this large rope so it's a little bit more easy to see, right? But even if we step to this way, step, pop, the line is still here, right down the middle of them, even though you can't see it. Come on, step again, Bob, step, the line is always in the middle. Step back to the middle. All right, I digress. So when you do a Muay Thai block, all you do is lift the leg straight up. So if I kick, he lifts straight up. Bang, just like that. Again, bang, simple enough. You notice he's not going out with the block. He's not trying to, no, up and down. You go out with the block like some people do, what's going to happen? Boy, for sure. That's why I say just lift it straight up, right? You already have a square stance. Your opponent kicks, bang, straight up, straight down. Simple, right and left, work same. Block, bang, up and down, nice and strong. So with this line blocking drill, very simple. I don't care if you go up the street. I don't care if you use a hand wrap. I don't care if you use a 50-foot measuring tape. I don't care if you use anything. It doesn't matter. A drawstring, a fishing string, doesn't matter. The point is you're going to have something that's going to give you that square stance when you start this drill. All right, first things first is you're going to start at the end of the line. Start from the foundation up, balls of our feet, right? And we're going to go straight up with the base leg straight. Base leg meaning the leg that I'm standing on. All right, so when you block, not here, I want it straight. When I was in the military, we used to call it mark time march. Mark time march, and we go straight here, bop, bop, bop. So relatively, it's the same. When you do with this line walking drill, I'll show them, you're gonna make sure that the line stays in the middle of you. This is the line, it's gonna stay in the middle of me. Just like I mentioned earlier, when you block, bang, straight up, right? I'm doing Muay Thai, I'm gonna give you a POV. Me and you are fighting, visualize it. You kick, I block straight up. So when you do this drill, you're gonna do the same. The point is to keep the line in the middle of you. On your toes, base leg straight, line in the middle of you, and you're going to take your time. Don't rush it. Also remember, when you're doing this, we want to make it a little bit more harder than it would be in a real fight. All right, so if I can do this, when I fight, it's going to be much easier. That makes sense? You sure?
Yes.
Tabernacle. If it doesn't, let me know. That way I can explain it. My man Red. All right, so here we go. Watch my feet, watch my body. I'm on the balls of my feet already. I'm not starting flat foot. I'm making this hard. Right here, base leg straight, mark time march, just like in the military. Here, bang, up. It goes straight up. Look how straight this is. Bang, 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 straight, lift, toes, line in the middle, easy, high as you can. Bop, somebody kick, boom. When you get to the end, remember guys, you can go 50 feet with this, 100 feet. The more, the better. Otro más. Line in the middle. In my stance, visualize somebody kicking. Up. Block. Don't go flat anytime. Are you ready? Yes. What you got, toothpick? Up. On the balls of your feet, guys. I think this is a little bit hard for them. Make sure you're not falling forward. Oh, pobrecito. Make sure you guys you fell forward a little bit. You don't want to fall forward because what if he's faking? Come on. Like you fall forward, I pop, Oh, boom, knee. All right, so straight up. Let's go. Straight, straight, straight. There we go. That's much better. One more. Let's try to make this perfect. Everyone has a little bit different views on the feet. Doesn't really matter, but I want to think a little bit ahead. If I have my feet out, let's just say he kicks, bam, he breaks my toes. All right, some people say it's flexing. I don't know. Just block. Just check. It doesn't matter. But when you do the drill, we're making this a little bit harder. So the feet's going to go down. Let's go, Tito. Very good. Higher, higher, higher. You're going to go higher, 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 and block. The walking line drill. So remember, when you do this drill, you're going to make it perfect. Practice perfect with precision because it will protect you. Keep the line in the middle, right? Base leg straight, and don't go flat the whole time. On the balls of my feet, straight, straight. Don't fall forward, don't fall back. You'll notice the first couple of times it might be hard to keep balance because you're on the balls of your feet, right? But the more you practice, the better you'll get. And so that way, when you fight, you'll notice, man, why am I'm blocking super high? This guy isn't even able to kick my forearms. Why? Because you're used to blocking super high. Not here, not low, not big gap, right? This drill will improve you. Just do it right. Next up on the menu of Muay Thai drills is going to make it easier for you to block and check is the skipping rope. But I call this the rope sprints. Are you ready?
Yes.
My man Red. All right, so with these, I prefer the tie ropes, all right? The thicker ones. But you can use a speed rope. You can use anything, all right? Up to you. But I prefer these. Not only is it going to, make this a little bit more difficult, but it's going to give you that musculos, all right? Kengrang. Strong. You're going to develop other muscles besides the legs. This one is going to develop those fast twitch muscles, all right? So, very simple, just like it sounds. Sprint, skip ropes. The key is you want to go high. Basically, you're going to go high knees with the skip rope, right? But here it is. T-knee, right here, look. Wop, 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 here. Up, 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 up. Fast as you can. 15 revolutions, right? Take a break for 5 seconds, 15 more. Break for 5 seconds, 15 more. That's one set. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. I'm scared for him because this is a very hard drill, but we'll see what he got. I believe in you. What you got, Toothpick? No. All right, with this one, you're gonna simulate, son. All right, we're practicing. All right, when you're doing this one, it's same like this. Dot, 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 dot. Only thing I'm doing is adding the skipping to it, which is going to make it much more harder. And like I mentioned earlier, train hard, fight easy. So let's try it one more time. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Break. Then you break. 1,000. 1,000. Let's go. Anytime this week.
Ready?
Yes. Are you? 1. Come on. Get those legs up. 1. That's it. Faster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Not bad at all. I give it about a 5.893. 5.893 out of 10. All right, I know it's tough, but this is where you get your breathing from, all right? Get your breathing. You know what to do. Big, deep inhales till it hurts. Then go to relaxation, all right? Are you ready? All right, really get your knees high. I want you to bang, commit to it. It's the last one. You can do it. You can do it. I know you can. You can too, guys. Look, if you need to, pause the video, right? That way you can get your breath. If you need more than 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 2 minutes, it doesn't matter. Or try to keep along with Tito, a.k.a. the Fresh Prince of Muay Thai. Are you ready?
Ready.
I just asked you that. Go. You can do it, man. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 4, 5, 6. Faster. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. That's it. So, guys, get your breath. It's okay. It's all right. I understand. I understand, get your breath. I'm not even gonna edit this part out, all right? This is gonna help you breathe in between the rounds. We talked about this in the vlog. When you fight Muay Thai, just like sprinting, you bam, 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 then you breathe. Bam, 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 move, bam, then you breathe. Then you go to your corner for a minute. That's when you learn how to. So I need you to do the same thing in between these sets, right? If you can do this and then get your breath back within 3 to 4 breaths, forget about it, all right? You're ready for fight. How you feel?
Good.
My man. Easy work? He said it's easy. We'll see about that. We got this next one up. Are you ready? All right, here we go. The next drill up, to learn how to block or check Muay Thai kicks at a phenomenal pace like a professional, it's the partner drill that I call hot feet. You remember that game that we used to play back in the day called hot hands? Remember?
Yes.
Let me see. I don't know if they remember. We used to do this thing called hot hands. I pop and then I boom.
You can't do that.
Yeah, I can. Bop, I can fake, and then you boom. Just like that. I'm talking about beat it up to their knuckles red. So, just like hot hands, it's the same principle in this drill called hot feet. This is going to develop that fast twitch muscle. This is going to develop that eye to see when your opponent is about to throw, right? It's going to put you ahead of the curve. Are you ready?
Yes.
My man, I'm about to put something on them. Here we go. So with hot feet, you're going to simulate that you and your partner are in the pocket, or you and your opponent are in the pocket, right? So hands up. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of movement around. I'm not going to be doing a lot. No. Mano y mano. Quick draw, if I may. So what you're going to do is with your partner, you're going to touch for distance, Bob. And my goal is to try to land the kick fast as I can. And the only thing that Tito is allowed to do is block, just like we've been doing, right? So we did the Chingamaderos, we did the Chingamaduhas, and now we got this one, all right? So use those same principles, right? You too, use those same principles up and down. Are you ready?
Yes.
My man Red. Here we go. Bop, so I move, bop, I can feint, bop. Bop, feint, bop, and then, chocolate cake. Again, bop, move, feint, and then, Did he block that one? Let us know in the comment section. That was kind of close, all right? Not only did he block it, but you kind of lose points when you go off balance, right? It's okay, but it can be better. So let's keep going. Again, his block is trash now. He hasn't been training as much. Is that what it is? Yep. And then, there you go. Very good. Bob, move. I slow it down for him. Bob, move side. There you go. Side, y'all. Good. Side, good. Move. Very good. That's the basic premise of the drill. You're gonna go forth and back. Offense. Use your feints. One more time. To make it a little bit more tricky, feint, fakes. This helps you out also. So I'm not just gonna kick. No. Ray Charles can see that. You have to throw your feints or fakes. So it's bop, move, bam. Just like that. Bop, move, and then just like that. That's gonna help not only you grow, but your partner grow. Only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai Drills and Workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.